Did you know the CIA once drugged and tortured thousands of innocent people in secret mind control experiments? From 1953 to 1973, Project MKUltra turned American hospitals into chambers of horror. Dr. Donald Cameron strapped patients to beds for weeks. He forced them to listen to the same recorded message over and over while they lay in drug-induced comas. Victims were given massive doses of LSD without knowing. They had no idea what was happening to them. The CIA wanted to erase memories completely, to rebuild human minds from scratch. One man was secretly dosed with LSD by agents at a hotel. Hours later, he jumped to his death from his window. Patients went in for simple treatments like depression. They came out unable to recognize their own families. When the program was finally exposed in 1975, CIA directors had already destroyed most of the evidence. Thousands of victims never knew what happened to them. Many spent decades trying to piece together their shattered memories. The full scope of MKUltra remains unknown to this day.